Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Friday, the 14th of September. The euro appreciated against most of its major counterparts as the market sentiment has improved over the past few weeks, and developments in the other side of the Atlantic provided the catalyst for further advances. The Federal Reserve Chairman Bernanke announced a third round of quantitative easing by which the central bank will be purchasing mortgage-backed securities, while keeping interest rates near zero levels until 2015. There is a huge amount of literature out there on the effect of quantitative easing in the economy without a clear answer. However, one thing is for sure, quantitative easing weakens the US dollar and boosts the precious metal, particularly gold and silver. The euro is above 1.30 against the US dollar, a 4-month high and a major psychological level. The Australian dollar was among the biggest gainers versus the US dollar, rising from 104.61 to 105.80 early in the US session. Oil finally broke out of its $4 range from 94.10 to 98.30 and is now trading above 99.50 US dollars a barrel. The $100 is expected to act as a huge resistance area, and market participants worldwide anticipate this, positioning themselves accordingly. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 129.75 with a preference to enter into long positions at 129.85. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 77.75 with a preference to enter into short positions at 77.75. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 104.95 with a preference to enter into long positions at 104.95. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 161.25 with a preference to enter into long positions at 161.35, and the dollar CAD pivot point is at 0.97 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.97. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot point is at 98.30 with a preference to enter into long positions at 98.30. The gold pivot point is at 1745 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1745. And the silver pivot point is at 34 with a preference to enter into long positions at 34. The US 500 is at 1439 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1439. And the UK 100 is at 5816 with a preference to enter into long positions at 5816. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market movers are the EU final inflation month-on-month in August forecast to rise by 0.4%. EU Consumer Price Index month-on-month in August forecast to rise by 0.5%. US retail sales month-on-month in August forecast to rise by 0.7%. And the US Michigan sentiment preliminary in September forecast to drop to 74. Our interesting pair to watch is the silver dollar, with silver producing a remarkable surge against the US dollar yesterday. The precious metal advanced from 33.2222 to 34.5205, a resounding 3.9% appreciation. The pair has been rising since early August, and it will be interesting to see whether higher highs can be recorded. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good weekend.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.